What happens when you take cutting-edge EV tech, wrap it in luxury, and give it supercar-level speed? You get the 2026 Tesla Model X, more refined, more powerful, and smarter than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides with real-world insight and zero fluff. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Model X, a flagship electric SUV that keeps evolving, and this year's update packs serious upgrades inside and out. Design. Starting with design, the 2026 Model X keeps its sleek, minimalist look but adds a few subtle updates. Sharper body lines, a redesigned front fascia, and slimmed-down LED lighting give it a sportier edge. The iconic Falcon wing doors remain, of course, still a head-turner in any parking lot. Inside, the cabin is ultra-clean with premium materials, ambient lighting, and that signature panoramic windshield that makes the interior feel open and futuristic. Performance. Tesla's dual and tri-motor options return, with the top-tier Plaid variant delivering 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. That's supercar speed in a family SUV. Improved suspension and handling software give it a more planted feel, especially at high speeds or during spirited driving. And the range? Up to 410 miles on a full charge, thanks to battery optimization and aerodynamic tweaks. Features and technology. Inside, you get Tesla's latest infotainment system on a crisp, rotating center display, along with rear passenger screens, immersive audio, and an updated yoke or steering wheel, your choice. Full self-driving gets smarter with better lane prediction and smoother city navigation, though it's still in beta. Wireless gaming, video streaming, and over-the-air updates keep the experience fresh long after delivery. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Model X still the EV SUV to beat? With its blend of speed, range, and tech, it just might be. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world takes on the latest in auto tech. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.